So render seems to be, in support at the moment. Obviously, we also here had a sharp decline on the 10th of October. This correction has also been lasting for a long time. I mean, let's take a quick look at the larger time frame. But here we at least have some clear patterns on the render chart. Many altcoins at the moment look very, very choppy because the volume is very, very low. But yeah, I mean, it just doesn't look as if we have formed a major low somewhere at the moment. I said before, to consider we go back into an uptrend, I need a break back above 420. Basically the level before, this sell-off started on the 10th of October. We've gone lower. And if this indeed is a corrective pullback that I'm tracking here, we came very close to that 100% extension, which is an ideal target, 43 cents. I can't rule out that we'll get there once more because I'm not sure how reliable that wick was. Because of that flash crash on the 10th of October and the swift recovery and now a corrective pullback, I'm obviously watching for support, but I would need some short-term momentum to the upside to even consider that we've bottomed, yeah? So this just gives it a bigger picture, larger correction. It might have bottomed. Maybe that larger B wave is still unfolding. I haven't got any confirmation on the local level, and the larger time frame is a bit messy because of that wick, that flash crash on the 10th of October. But here you see it, from that low on the 10th, we had a swift recovery. I think the earliest confirmation, meaningful confirmation that a low is in, would be a break above 336, because that's exactly where that selling volume came in. I've been telling you that for weeks. It hasn't happened yet, so that's still a key level. Not to be fair, in the very, very short term, but I wouldn't call that a reliable level. We have $2.04 as first key resistance. So should we see the market break above it, it might indicate at least a local low is in. I can see a complete looking ABC structure to the downside. I can't remember what we said last week, but I think last week, the count still pointed towards one more low. I now have a 5-wave move down in wave C. It reached the blue target area. So yeah, I'm going to watch for support. So let's see if the bulls show up. It's just that the correction has been going on now for a couple of months again, and there's just no momentum at the moment. Yeah, market looks weak somehow. So definitely watching here for signs that the bulls make a comeback. Can't rule out a few more downside squiggles, and I would want to see at least a break above $2.04, $2.05 to even consider that a local low is in.